So what I'm making right now is royal frosting, but this recipe does not require egg whites. It is simply a quarter cup of water, a quarter cup of warm water, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and a tablespoon of corn syrup. So one more ingredient, a couple drops of vanilla. What you do is you just simply pour that over, and then I like to save like a small spoonful at the end just in case I may not need all the liquid. And when it dries, it will dry hard, and it will be a very pretty glossy finish. All right, so there was just a little bit that I didn't add, so I'm going to put this to the side. So it will dry out as you're using it, so you may have to add of the corn syrup water mixture. All right, so to me that's a pretty good texture. So let me show you how you will dye this, different colors. All right, so I have 2 containers here to mix my colors. So the first one I'm going to put just about, it looks like about 2-3 tablespoons. I might actually take a little bit out of there. I only want like a tablespoon each. So let me take a little bit out of here. Let me see. I think I'm going to make this one purple. So I'm going to do 1 drop blue and 2 drops red. It actually will tell you on the back of the box how to make the various colors. So I have my 1 drop blue and 2 drops red. Purple. Is that a pretty purple or what? But I think I want it a little darker, so I'm going to add 1 more drop blue. And that is how you make the glossy royal frosting. No egg whites, so you don't have to worry about people getting sick or making sure that you get the pasteurized, or the powder, what have you. So it's as simple as that. And I'll show you the results in just a moment. And so one more tip that I do with this, I'm going to show you what I do, is I put my frosting into sandwich bags and then clip the tip. So it's kind of like a frosting bag. All right. So you see how I put it in this cup? I put the bag in the cup at first, so the cup is holding the bag for me.